All right, we're gonna show you where the foot bellows go back into the air switch when you're replacing it. So here's the side of your electrical box of your Formatic, and you can actually see right here, this part is your air switch. And the tube for the foot bellows goes up and behind that. So what you're gonna have to do is that it's gonna be, you don't have to take it all the way out, but I'm gonna show you on an actual air switch that we have here, is that the air switch is gonna look like this, and behind it is this little piece right here. That's where your tube will attach to. So you will have to detach the existing one, pull it out through the cord grip down here, and then feed the new one up through the cord grip and in, and it will, you don't have to take anything else out. Obviously make sure your machine is turned off, but you won't have to take anything else out of that. But you can see in the back there where the switch goes, right up there behind the air switch, or where the tube goes behind it. So it'll attach, yep, that little tube will attach, oops, sorry, just like that. So that's what you'll need to do. Thank you.